That's the vehicle for them is currently running approximately 25. That's the vehicle for them running.
Good boy, Bob. So we just got back from Gibson's where we spent the afternoon today. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but we are staying in a place called Secret Cove, which is like past Gibson's, past Seashell, past Half Moon Bay, just like a little bit further up north. We ate at a seafood place called Smitty's, which was really, really good. We got the crab bucket and the tacos, and it's just such fresh seafood. We also got oysters. Everything was really good. Definitely recommend that restaurant. And we also did a little bit of shopping, so I wanted to show you what I picked up. I stopped into this place called, I think it was called Whimsy. They just had so many cute things. I couldn't not pick something up. The first thing I got, this, it's a seashell nightlight. So the inside is like this beautiful pink color, the natural color of the shell and everything. And then when you plug it in, you can just turn it on and off with this little switch here. And I thought that was so cute and such a nice little thing to pick up and bring home. I'm trying to decorate my apartment more with things that I like fall in love with when I'm traveling out and about, because if you're not careful, your apartment ends up just looking like the inside of an IKEA or a Structube, which is where I think a lot of Canadians get their home decor. So trying to switch it up and bring in special other little touches. Things that have a story are my favorite thing to bring home. The other thing that I got was this really cute market tote. And yeah, we're back at the house now. It's pretty late right now. It's like 5 o'clock, so I think we're gonna start making dinner. Good morning. So every morning, the best part about being on vacation is that you start every morning with a coffee and a swim. So that is exactly where I am heading right now. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. We're getting ready to go out. I'm just wearing a slip right now for my dress. I gave myself a small injury in the pool. So I am waiting to get a band-aid before I put the rest of my dress on. But we're gonna head into Seashelt and do a little bit of shopping. I need to find my sunglasses. I'm missing like a lot of things right now. I need to find my sunglasses. And I think I need some earrings if I am gonna be wearing my hair up. Close enough. This is my outfit of the day. With like some like basic sandals. We just got back from Seashelt. We drove in for a couple hours. It's a pretty small town center, so we parked at, I think it's called the Trail Ridge Mall, and from there you can walk a couple blocks over. We went to this bakery called The Bakery. A really good turkey bacon panini. There's like one boutique that I walked into, I forget the name of it, but they had these bone charms. So this is the one that I got. Then they also have something that's kind of reminiscent of Vancouver. Seashelt has a seawall along the ocean. So we cut down to the water and went for a little walk. It's really hot though. It's like highs of 31 today. So this is like peak heat right now. So we did like the shortest walk ever and then went back to the car. I think we're gonna go hang out by the pool now and I'm gonna make some Aperol spritz. I'm in the kitchen right now. We're having guests over for dinner and I really want to make a white wine sangria. So I've had red before. I feel like on a day like today when it's super hot, I don't really want to do like a red wine sangria. For some reason it just like sounds really heavy. So I am doing a white wine sangria and I've never made a sangria before. I couldn't find any pictures, but I did find this like crystal bucket. So I feel like we can put the sangria in here and then scoop it out and that'll be the experience. I'm gonna put that right there. And I have all of my ingredients here. Lemon, lime, strawberry, maybe blueberry, peaches, and of course the white wine. The only thing I don't have is the apple brandy, but hopefully it's not like a super necessity. All packed up and we're heading out now. I'm so sad to go, but also kind of ready to get back to the city, you know? 5 days is kind of my limit when it comes to rest and relaxation, and then I start to get a little, you know, little itch for the city life again. Oh, I see.
Drives the car now. He is the papa.
Oh, maybe he had to go to the bathroom. We'll see if he has to go pee or something. All right, let's go. Come on. Up you go. Come on. Good boy. What's your little bum?
Meant to be a sandwich.
Yeah, it's oh my god, like a, yeah. It's meant to be a sandwich. Oh, my hair is crazy. We're at the ferry terminal right now. We picked up brunch, I guess, from a restaurant in Seychelles before we came down here. Yeah, from the Basted Baker. We got the OG is what this one is, in like a biscuit sandwich setup. So yeah, we're at the ferry terminal. We have a little bit to wait.